Hello there crafties! Welcome and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Nisa and I like to do sewing tutorial vlogs. For today's episode, I'm going to show you how I transformed this old plaid polo into a baggy shorts with one side pocket and front zipper. But as you can see in the title, I also made a collared crop top out from it, which I'm gonna be featuring on the part 2 of this vlog. So without further ado, let's get started. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Ayaw, pagkuan. So without further ado, let's get right to it. I started by detaching the pocket and the sleeves. To cut the front part of the shorts, I lay the front part of the polo symmetrically, facing right sides together. Then place the folded model shorts on top, 1/2 inch away from workable edge. Because the width of the front polo is not enough to fit my shorts front thigh, I will be cutting separate parts to compensate the lacking measurement. Since I want my new shorts to be shorter, I won't be adding hem allowance on this part. Since separate parts will be cut later for the waistband, I only traced up until here. I made it 1/2 inch higher for seam allowance. Added 2.5 inches more for the pleats. I carefully cut per layer of side parts to ensure no fabric is wasted. I then cut the back part same way I did the front part. I also added 2.5 inches more for additional ease on elastic gathering. I cut 2 pieces of 4 by 11 inches for front extension and another 2 pieces of 4 by 13 inches for the back. I cut these from the sleeves. I made sure to cut it on parallel with the fabric pattern. I also cut these strips for my waistband. For my side pocket, I folded the fabric right sides together before I cut these. This front pocket, I will be using this one for my collared crop top, which I will be featuring on my next vlog, so this will be set aside for now. This zipper guard I cut on fold, so basically this has 2 sides. I started by locking the front crotch edge through zigzag stitch to prevent them from fraying. You would want to attach them by matching same patterns for a seamless look. I bind both inner edges, then sew 1/2 inch away from the edge. I did the same for the back part. I marked 6 inches away from the side edge, then 1 inch to the left and right from first marking. First, I connected the center and left marking by folding it in, then laid it to the left. Then fold in matching center and the right mark, then lean it to the right. I then secured folds with pins, then sew it with straight line. I placed one part of pocket with its top edge 1 1/2 inch away from the top edge of the front waist. Marked another 1 1/2 inch deeper. From there, I measured 5 inches for my pocket opening, then stitched, tracing the line. I carefully snipped it diagonally to give ease when you fold it on reverse later without cutting past the stitch. Then place the other part on top, wrong sides together, pinned edges, then sew. I folded in the pocket following the C-shaped stitch I made earlier. Then top stitched about 1/4 inch from the edge. I turned the pocket inside out, then placed the back and front parts right sides together, matched edges, secured with pins, then sew. I trimmed extra edge. I just repeated process for the other side. I placed the right and left parts of the shorts, right sides together, pinned edges of back crotch, then sew. I assembled the waistband parts by joining inside edges, then bind them together using straight stitch. I used 24 inches long of 1 1/4 inch thick elastic. I placed its tip 1 1/2 inch away from the side edge and 3/4 inch away from the bottom. Fold in the fabric, pin together, then stitch to secure elastic placement. I did the same on the other end. I then folded the elastic in half to find its center, pinned it as a marker, then matched it to the center seam of the fabric. I also secured the remaining parts by stretching the elastic with the fabric to find their common placement when stretched. You would want to do this to even the gathering after binding the elastic to the fabric. I stitched it while stretching. I did it in 3 layers. I also locked its bottom edge through zigzag stitch. I matched edges, centers and key points, held them together, then sew 1/2 inch away from the edge while stretching. I flipped the fabric, then stitched top edge. I bind this edge through zigzag stitch to prevent it from fraying. I then placed it on the right front crotch, pinned edges, then sew, leaving about 1 inch at the bottom part. Luckily, I have a metal zipper just like the one in the model shorts, but you can also use any other zipper that is available to you. I flipped the right side zipper teeth, then placed it on the right crotch of the shorts with the top zipper stopper just above the top edge of the waistband. Then positioned its edge about 1/4 inch away from the seam. Folded the extra tape of the zipper towards the back, then pinned to keep it in place. I'll stitch it just right up to here, then sew about 1/8 inch away from the zipper edge. A zipper foot is more suitable in sewing zippers. For the left zipper, I place its tape edge 1 inch away from the crotch edge. I turned the piece inside out, folded the zipper in and the zipper guard out, pinned the remaining front crotch, then sew. Before top stitching side parts of the zipper, I needed to unfold the zipper back out, then flap and pin the zipper guard to the right. I then went ahead and top stitched about 1/3 inch from the fabric edge. Unfortunately, my machine couldn't withstand stitching right across the metal zipper teeth, so I took the pleasure of hand sewing those parts. I did it through back stitching. I worked across the teeth multiple times to make sure the zipper slider won't go beyond the stitch. I trimmed excess parts of zipper, then hand sewn the bottom part of the zipper guard to the zipper tip to keep it in place. close the leg hole, I matched center seams of front and back crotch, then pinned the remaining edges. Then sew using straight stitch. I folded the edge of the leg hole twice, starting with the seams. Then worked all around. And then sew all around with straight line. Now we are all done.